Stay silent, not a sound.
We'll be home soon.
Dad, I'm scared.
Keep moving.
Bo, careful. Oh no!
Don't move!
I caught it!
I want my rocket.
It makes noise.
It's dangerous. I'm sorry, Bo.
Why is everything empty?
Because they're all gone.
Stay close together.
Walk slowly,
Why sand?
so they can't hear us.
Look! It worked! No! Bo! Stop! Dad! Run! Silent scream! No! Stay back! It's getting closer! Help somebody! Oh, no!
They can't see, but they hear everything.
Check the cameras. Everything's clear.
We're safe for now.
What if the baby cries?
This will protect him. I hope so. Try this one,
None of them work.
please.
This was my fault. I'm sorry, Bo.
Everything will be okay.
Can I come?
Stay with your mother.
Please go away. Please go away. No. Please, not now.
Mom's in trouble! Run! Mom's in trouble! Run!
You're alive.
It's a boy. My sweet boy.
He's perfect.
We're okay now.
Quickly!
Protect him!
Do it now! Go!